Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips Zero screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by powering off your Lenovo Vostro 3510 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial for your safety. Now, locate the screws on the back panel. There are typically 8 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips Zero screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Next, locate the LCD cover. It is typically secured by a few screws around the edges. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find it challenging to reach some screws, consider using a magnetic screwdriver for better grip. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be cautious of any cables that may be attached. If you're unsure about handling these components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the screen. Ensure that all clips and screws are properly aligned. Secure the cover by replacing the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the screws. After securing the LCD cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws on the back panel, ensuring they are tightened securely. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop. Check to ensure that the new LCD cover is properly installed and that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. And remember, always get a quote before repair to avoid any surprises. This way, you can ensure that your Lenovo Vostro 3510 is in good hands. Following these steps will help you successfully replace the LCD cover and keep your laptop looking great. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.